We're back with some breaking news coming in. It's a big move by the Gujarat Education Department towards modernization of the madrasas. We're given to understand Gujarat is also to become the first state in the country to integrate all the madrasa students in schools. Following a directive from the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, the Gujarat Education Department has identified over 7,000 children enrolled solely in madrasas and not part of the conventional schooling mandated by the Right to Education Act. All these students will be integrated to schools. These students can attend madrasas but only after school hours. The formal school education will be provided to these students who are only enrolled in madrasas and not part of conventional schooling.
भारत का संविधान बच्चों को 6 से 14 वर्ष की आयु में शिक्षा का अधिकार देता है और ये अधिकार बच्चों को मिले इसके लिए सरकारों की जिम्मेदारी तय करता है। मैं सभी सरकारों से इस दिशा में कदम उठाने के लिए कहा था। हमको रिसेंटली गुजरात सरकार से एक रिप्लाई आया है जिसमें उन्होंने बताया कि उन्होंने सभी अनमैप्ड मदरसों की मैपिंग की है। उन्होंने बताया कि उनके राज्य में मदरसा बोर्ड इत्यादि करके बच्चों को एक्सक्लूड नहीं किया गया है। राइट टू एजुकेशन जो है वो बच्चों के इंक्लूजन की बात करता है। यदि हम बच्चों को धार्मिक आधार पर बांट दें, एक्सक्लूड कर दें, तो वो बात ठीक नहीं होती। तो ये एक बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि उन्होंने बच्चों को किसी प्रकार से एक्सक्लूड नहीं किया है।
You heard the NCPCR chief welcoming the decision. Now this comes after the notification was issued based on a circular from the NCPCR which requested details from all the states regarding non-Hindu students of madrasas and unmapped madrasas. The information sought includes the name of the madrasa's manager and the name of the institution managing the madrasa. The survey seeks to know about the status of the recognition by the government. The survey also includes fields such as study hours in madrasa, the number of teachers and their salaries. More importantly, information is sought regarding the source of funds for salaries, details of donations and student fees. And when all of these details were shared by the Gujarat government with NCPCR, a decision was taken. With that, we're going to a very short break. News and updates will continue.